Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another SaaS review session as part of the Digital Marketing Initiative. Today we are reviewing Bluehost. As a developer, as a freelancer, as a small scale business owner, if you are looking to host your website, chances are that you will be looking for a stable, reliable, secure, and powerful web hosting provider. Look no further, we now have an option with Bluehost. We will learn all about it. We'll explore the features, we'll review the website, we'll also review the pricing in today's episode. Bluehost is one of the well-established web hosting provider with a strong reputation in the industry. They offer a range of hosting services like shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and much more. The best part is that they have a simple, user-friendly, and feature-rich control panel, which makes it extremely easy to host your website and manage your website. They offer free web domain, they offer free SSL certificate, securing our website, and a lot of inbuilt tools which will help in improving the performance, which will also help us in a lot of plugins which are available. They provide a one-click WordPress installer, which is very powerful, which is what I personally love. If you look at arctutorials.com, that's hosted with Bluehost. So I personally use them, and that's why I'm recommending. It's very easy to set up a blog or a website, or if you're looking to set up a custom online shop or e-commerce kind of a website, you can still do that extremely easily. They also offer a website builder, which means you don't have to be a technical person in order to build your own website. You can easily get started and start building professional looking websites without any coding. They also have extra excellence customer support, which has less than like 30 seconds to 1 minute timeline, which means whenever you need any help or a consultation in terms of technical knowledge or a help, you can always reach out to them via live chat, phone, or email. Bluehost also offers 30-day money back guarantee, which means you can try them out risk free. Bluehost includes Cloudflare integration, which means you can offer CDN, DDoS protection, which are improved to secure your website. With a strong focus on WordPress hosting. And the reason I'm insisting on WordPress is because a lot of new folks or developers who want to get started quickly and don't want to do too much of work on groundwork itself, they can choose WordPress as to quickly get start building your online reputation and domain. That's all about the web host I want to talk about. I'll review the website now. So if you go to the website, it talks about a lot of things like setting up your own online stores, WordPress hosting, design services. You can check out all of that. What I'm interested is in the hosting piece as a developer, as a freelancer, as a small scale business. They have excellent tools that you can choose, but let me start by talking about the pricing first. So the basic plan comes at 2.95 per month, which means $2.95 per month. Pretty simple, straightforward plan, nothing crazy here. You get to host one website and you have 10 GB storage. If you are a small business or someone who is confident, let's say developer, you are looking at hosting multiple websites, I think you should go with Choice Plus or Online Store. Now they have all the tools inbuilt. If you scroll down below, you can see all the features and the details that goes with it. Now this is where all of it comes into picture. You can set up an online store. You can start selling only at $10 per month, right? And it has all the tools that you need like secure payments, booking, shipping, product search, filtering, everything, email, everything is set up in this particular plans, every plan. So that's about the pricing plan. All right. So do give them a try. And the best part is if you're not really sure, hit the chat button here and you can talk to them before you purchase or make any sale, right? So see, you can see that how quickly they respond and you can get started with it. So Go ahead, give them a try if you're looking to host any of those details. I think it's one of the best choice out there for you. We talked about the pricings. The cheapest available one is 2.95 per month with a 30-day money back guarantee. What are your thoughts? Do let me know in the comment section. It will help the entire ARC tutorials community. If you know of any other provider want us to review as part of our digital marketing initiative, do write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. We would love to have you on our channel to help our community. Please do like, share these videos and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about Bluehost. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next episode.